What's going on, everyone? It's NY Amur here, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of affiliate marketing, specifically for all you bloggers and YouTubers out there. Now, affiliate marketing can be an incredibly powerful way to monetize your content and start generating some serious passive income. We're talking about earning money while you sleep, people. In this video, we'll break down how affiliate marketing works and share some effective promotion strategies that you can start implementing today. So buckle up, grab your notebooks, and let's get started. All right, so the first step to making money with affiliate marketing is to actually join some affiliate programs. Two of the biggest names in the game are Amazon Associates and Share a Sale. Amazon, as you probably know, sells pretty much everything under the sun. So if you've got an audience interested in books, tech gadgets, home goods, you name it, Amazon Associates is a no-brainer. Now, Share a Sale is a bit different. They're an affiliate network that connects you with thousands of different merchants and products. This gives you way more flexibility in terms of finding products that are a perfect fit for your niche. Signing up for both of these programs is completely free and surprisingly easy. All you need to do is head over to their websites, fill out some basic information about yourself and your blog or YouTube channel, and you're good to go. Once you're approved, you'll get access to your unique affiliate links, which you'll use to start promoting products. Now, here's the thing about affiliate marketing. You can't just start promoting any random product you stumble across. You've got to be strategic about it. The key is to focus on products that are relevant to your niche. Think about it. If you're running a blog about personal finance and you start pushing weight loss supplements, it's just not going to resonate with your audience. It comes across as inauthentic and frankly a little spammy. Instead, stick to promoting products that your audience actually cares about. For example, if you're a finance guru, you could promote budgeting software, investing courses, or even books about financial independence. The more closely aligned the product is with your content, the higher your chances of making a sale. Chapter 3. Once you've found some awesome products to promote, it's time to start creating content that actually converts. There are a ton of different ways you can do this, but some of the most effective include product reviews, tutorials, and best of lists. Let's say you're promoting a new budgeting app. You could create an in-depth review of the app, highlighting its features, pros and cons, and how it compares to the competition. Or you could create a tutorial showing your viewers step by step how to use the app to manage their finances like a pro. And if you're feeling really ambitious, you could put together a top 5 budgeting apps of 2023 list, ranking your affiliate product among its competitors. Chapter 4. Now, when it comes to actually including your affiliate links in your content, you've got to be smart about it. No one wants to feel like they're being bombarded with sales pitches. The key is to integrate your links naturally within your content. For example, if you're writing a blog post about your favorite tech gadgets, you could include a link to your affiliate product within a sentence like, "This laptop is seriously the best investment I've ever made. You can check it out here." Or if you're creating a YouTube video, you could mention the product organically in your video and then drop your affiliate link in the description box below. Remember, the goal is to provide value to your audience first and foremost. The affiliate sales will follow naturally if you're creating high-quality content that people actually want to consume. Chapter 5. Listen, if you're serious about making some serious bank with affiliate marketing, you need to start focusing on high-ticket or recurring commission programs. High-ticket programs, as the name suggests, offer larger commissions per sale. Think things like online courses, luxury goods, or even software subscriptions. Now, recurring commission programs are the real money makers. With these programs, you earn a commission every single month or year that the customer continues to pay for the product or service. That means you could make one sale and continue to get paid for months or even years to come. Talk about passive income. To find these golden nuggets, you'll need to do some digging. Look for affiliate programs that offer recurring commissions or that promote high-priced products within your niche. And there you have it, guys. That's a quick rundown of how you can start leveraging the power of affiliate marketing to monetize your blog or YouTube channel. Remember, building a successful affiliate marketing strategy takes time and effort. Don't expect to get rich quick, but if you focus on providing value to your audience, choosing the right products and promoting them effectively, you'll be well on your way to generating some serious passive income. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on growing your online presence. Happy marketing!